this next video. I'm really excited for you guys to see her, meet her. She is actually a family doctor in my town, and I've been cutting her hair for quite a while now. And she has a really easy short pixie because she does so many hours at the hospital and things. She has 2 little girls. She's very sweet, and I am really excited for you guys to watch that. So let me know what you think. I love that it's so short. A lot of people out there just love short. It's feminine. It's not, you know, just this short cut that looks like a guy. It's really feminine on her, and it has some good texture, and it looks really good on her. So I appreciate you guys watching and supporting me. I absolutely do. So thanks again. You guys have a good day. Bye. Hello everyone. So this is Emily, and she is a really, really good friend. I've been cutting her hair for a while now, and she is a family doctor, and she actually just come from C-section. She's getting her hair cut, and she's going back for another one. So it's really fun. It's fun to talk to her, and I mean, she doesn't tell us details or anything, just, hey, I come from a C-section, here she is. So I'm really excited that she is letting us videotape this, especially for her haircut. This, she obviously, I'm gonna start down here at the bottom and just come straight across. She loves to have something easy. I mean, with her schedule, she has 2 darling girls, and you know, it's a lot. And so, of course, you don't have time to sit and fuss. So she likes it short. So about up here, it's about 1 inch long. I just point cut into this. But if you're looking for easy, short and easy, this one's the one for you. Right, Emily?
Yes.
It's really fast. And her voice, yes, is gone. She's trying to talk to us, but... And then I just hold tight here to her head, as tight as I can here with my fingers, touching her head, just to make that tight. And then when I'm done, I kind of go through it with my little clippers, just around the edges to make sure they're nice and tight so it lasts her. We do what, is it 5 or 6
every
weeks?
5 weeks.
5 weeks, yeah.
This time it was 6 because of the holidays, and I definitely noticed the
difference,
extra week.
that extra week, I bet.
Yep.
I bet. So yes, and that's why we like to go really tight around her ears and her neck so it lasts her, which is nice. Don't have time to come get your hair cut all the time, do you? Okay, so same thing, just about 1 inch, and then about halfway down here, or down, you know, right there is when I start to angle and go really tight to the head. And of course I point cut into it. I love point cutting, so there's no straight edges because I like a little movement. And then of course we will texture this after. She actually uses the volume shampoo and conditioner that I have, my product. And it's really nice because it helps grow your hair and keep it nice and tight in the follicles. But now Emily, because she has a lot of hair, it's really fine. So it really helps give her some body. Okay, so I'm staying tight against her nape area. Okay, so that's tight. Now just cut straight down here. I do just kind of cut down like that. And I just comb it. And then, sorry, I'll come around the camera this way and start up here. So like I said, the top of her hair is about 1 inch long. And this is right where I go tight. Okay, then I come up here on this side. hopefully everybody's having a great day. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you guys have any questions or want to see any videos or have requests, just go ahead and write in the comments. I would love that. It's been fun getting to know you guys more and more. Okay, same thing right here. Just gonna cut up. So now that I have that cut, now I'm gonna come up to this top and I'm just gonna come straight across, just keeping that short. Okay, so then I take this next section. Okay, so now after I've come across this way, now I'm going to come and do her sides. So I come tight here, so my fingers are tight next to her head. And then I just kind of come and do a 90-degree up this way and connect into this top layer. So you can see that I come up around this way. Okay, now we like it above her ears, so I'm just gonna come this way and angle up and around. Just gonna cut into this a tiny bit. And hold this out. Take the length here. So I'm just going to angle down on her sides. So you can kind of see it goes into that point. And now on this other side, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna hold this out, but hold it really tight to her head. And then connect that side with that layer up here. So about how many babies do you deliver in a year? It totally depends, I'm
depends,
sure,
yeah.
but is that one of your favorite things?
Definitely, yeah.
That's so fun.
Love it. And then because I'm family practice, I get to take care of the babies too after they're delivered. So
Oh, that's so
take
fun.
care of a whole family.
That's right, that's good.
Yeah.
It has to be rewarding.
It is for sure.
Okay, so I always say, okay, so I know you've noticed that, but it's just a habit. I'm sure all of us have some habits, right? I'm trying to get out of it, but I'm just saying it's just what I do. Okay, so I come up here, see? Okay, so I just did it again. That's fine. Hey, I'm real. It's me. If you don't like it, I'm so sorry. Okay, so, just kidding. Okay, no, I'm gonna come in on this angle and do the bang. You can see how I just kind of skipped a little bit of hair in between and took a little bit of that chunk out that way. Then I take the texturizing shears and come up through here so it stands up for her, because like I said, she has a lot of hair, but it's fine. So it's nice to have that texture in there to help that, you know, stay up, so. All right, now I'm just going to comb that hair out. and I'm going to clean up the bottom nape area. Then I'm going to come up here and go tight around this outside area. Just kind of push your ear here. Take a little bit of that hair. Make sure you don't put the comb too far in or it'll take too much hair. So just angle that comb out a tiny bit. Down here at the bottom, just bringing this a little bit tighter here. Just seems like, especially on short hair, that's where we notice the growth is around the back edges and around our ears. So it's nice to just keep this really tight so she can go 5 weeks. And it's so fun. About every other haircut, her 2 little girls come, and oh my goodness, they are fun. They're cute. We should actually videotape them sometime.
Well, they need a haircut, so let's get something scheduled.
Okay, let's do it. That sounds great. Jenny and Lucy are her girls' names. They're super fun. Okay. All right, so now what we're going to do is take the root lifter and go through the top. So we have that lift. Then the mousse, I shake it. Just one little squirt, rub it in your hands good. It's very concentrated, so you don't need much, but you just rub it in your hands really good before you apply to your hair. So it's more even throughout your hair. Okay, and then just a little bit of thickening spray, just because it's a little fine. So it'll make it feel and look a little thicker. Then we're just gonna dry. I just go back and forth with my fingers here. And this obviously just dries straight down in the back. Now just back and forth with this epic wet brush. These brushes will save you. I love them. There's a link below if you're needing one. And not just because her hair is short, long-haired people use these brushes also. Okay, so now I have dried this. I love it because it's really short pixie, very feminine. It looks really, really good. Of course, she's gorgeous, but it's just really feminine. And so you can just leave this as is. You know, you can just have a few little to poke up here and then just leave it. You're good to just leave it and wear it soft. Emily likes a little bit of clay into it to help it stand up and to piece out a little bit. So I just took the black groom styling clay, just a little fingertip full. And then I don't use too much. I'm just gonna turn her in the mirror so I can see how we're gonna piece that out. And then, see, that is just super easy. So, and then I'm just going to spray. And if you guys can see, this is what I love to do, is dry and then look. If you guys can see, it looks a little bit to the same length there. I'm just gonna piece this out a tiny bit more. Okay, so So then just spray. I'm gonna make sure when I look into the mirror that she's good. And, okay, so that's how she wears her hair. And like I said, you can wear it just soft if you want. Just depends on the look that you're going for. So there is Emily's haircut. And I appreciate her letting us videotape, especially after coming from work. But that's what a doctor does, I guess. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. But if you guys want to be on my email list, we are I think we're going to do it Saturdays. Just hop down on the link, get on our email list. You can get all of my deals that's going on, all of my tips and tricks, things like that. So I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day. See ya.